Hello everybody. So this morning we are going to be carrying on with our learning from yesterday by comparing statements. So today we're going to be looking at additions and subtractions and using the language that we learnt yesterday, greater than, less than and equal to. So let's look at our first problem. So here you can see that there are some cubes one side, there's some green and there's some blue cubes, and the other side we have some pink and some yellow cubes. So both of those are showing some addition number sentences. So we can see there are 4 green cubes and 2 blue cubes. So that's showing a number sentence 4 plus 2. And on the other side we can see there are pink and yellow cubes. There are 5 pink cubes and 2 yellow cubes. So that is showing the number sentence 5 plus 2. So we now need to compare these two statements using our symbols greater than, less than or equal to. So the first thing you need to do is work out the answers to both of those calculations. So you can count them up, you can get some objects, you can get 4 and 2, find out the answer, you can get 5 and 2, find out the answer. So you might want to pause the video and do a little bit of counting. And let's have a look at which symbol we need to put in then. So 4 and 2, you should have found out that that gives us the total of 6. And 5 and 2 gives us the total of 7. So 6 is a smaller number. So 6 is less than 7. So we can put in the less than symbol. So you can see that crocodile, it's pointing towards so you can see that crocodile, its mouth is open towards the larger number, 7 is larger, so we put the less than symbol, 6 is less than 7. Let's look at the next problem. Okay, so again, 2 addition number sentences to compare. So if we have a look at those addition number sentences, we can see 7 plus 2 is one side and 4 plus 5 is the other side. So the first thing we need to do, exactly the same as the first one, is find out the answer to both of those calculations. So 7 plus 2. You can see there are some cubes here to help you. You could use your own objects at home to find out the answer. And then 4 plus 5. So I'm going to give you a moment. You might want to pause the video, see if you can work out the answers to both of those calculations. Okay, and then once you've done that, then we need to think about which symbol can we use to compare these two statements. So 7 plus 2 gives us a total of 9. And 4 plus 5 gives us a total of 9. So both of these calculations give us an answer of 9. So we can use the equal to symbol. 7 plus 2 is equal to, it makes the same amount as 4 plus 5. Okay, so we've got 2 different statements here. So both of these are subtraction statements. So we're going to work out exactly the same as before. We need to work out what the number sentences are and what the answers to those calculations are. So the first one, we can see there were 7 counters, 4 have been crossed out. So we need to work out what 7 take away 4 makes. And on the other side, we can see we've got 7 counters and 5 have been crossed out. So 7 take away 4, 7 take away 5. We find out the answers to those problems and then we need to compare those 2 subtraction sentences. So 7 take away 4 is 3. 7 take away 5 is 2. So we know that 3 is a larger number, it's greater than 2. So we can put the greater than symbol in. 3 is greater than 2. So 7 take away 4 is greater than 7 take away 5. Okay, again, another subtraction number sentence to try and work out now. So the first one, we have 6 counters and we are subtracting 1. You can see 1 has been crossed out. And the other side, we have 8 take away 3. So again, the first job is to work out the answers to both of those calculations. So you can pause the video for a second and see if you can work out what the answers are. Okay, so 6 subtract 1 would leave us with 5, and 8 subtract 3 would leave us with 5. So both of these calculations give us the answer of 5. So the symbol we need is, did you get it right? Equal to. Well done. 5 is equal to 5. 6 take away 1 equal to 8 take away 3. They both give us the same answer. Well done. So here is your challenge for today then. It is to complete these 3 calculations. So 10 take away 6 is something, 8 take away 2. So you need to decide, is it less than, greater than or equal to? Then the next one, 8 take away 1 is something, 6 plus 1. So again, you need to put the correct symbol in there, either less than, greater than or equal to. And then the last one, 2 plus 6 is something, 7 take away 1. So again, greater than, less than, equal to. So I'd like you to have a go at writing those down in your maths books with the correct symbol to compare all of those calculations. And if you manage to do those, then maybe you'd like to have a go at making up some of your own. So you could start with a number sentence, for example, 2 plus 2. Choose a symbol and then think of a calculation that could go the other side. Or you could use some objects, find a calculation, and then think of another calculation, and then think about which symbol you would need to compare them. So it's up to you. You can complete as many as you can, and we'd love to see some photographs of your work. So good luck. Bye.